YouTube, what is up? We are doing a skateboard video, and the bottle flip video was right before the time it happened, but we're gonna upload it tomorrow when it's my mom's birthday. When you see it, and it's hailstorming already. The hail's come back from it. So the first trick I'm gonna try today.
Ken, can you help your brother? He wants something.
I just really want to get a new book and big party because it could be a very big party tomorrow. I'll land my cherry. Yeah. Oh, duh. Mamma mia. Oh. Hale, can you go away, please? Okay.
Oh man, it's
hailstorm.
yeah.
Cold. It's not supposed to be this cold today. It's supposed to be very warm today.
Ken, watch out, Daniel is there.
Ooh. Oh. I found a very big hailstone. It's bigger than the other ones. Okay, that. I've seen one hailstone in America, which was humongous. It was like almost as big as a book, which was insane. 2 pages of a book. Ah. I hope a hailstone doesn't hit me in the head. Well, there you guys go. That was the skateboarding video, and that's just some random moves, so it may look funny that I didn't land any trick. But there we go. Bye.